are also going to be transitioning a plethora of colours from our crisp dye inks into our round fresh dye inks. These will all have mini cubes and re-inkers as well. The ones that we're going to be transitioning are Martian Terrain, Sugarplums, Glacier Caves, Nature's Wonders, and also Coffee Break. So I have stamped these all out as well, so you can see just how beautifully they stamp, and you can also see the colours here. So in the Martian Terrain, we have Pastel Sunrise, Canyon Clay, Burnt Red, and Mahogany Bark. For the Sugarplums, which is the purple family, we have Pale Mauve, Amethyst, Grape Agate, and Plum. For the blues, which is the Glacier Caves, we have Arctic, Caribbean Sky, Persian Blue, and Sapphire. For the Nature's Wonders, which is this beautiful green colour, we have Misty Moor, Marshland, Sea Forest, and also Mangrove Root. Last but not least, we have the Coffee Break, which is the Sand Dunes, Rocky Shore, and also the Mocha and Espresso. Last but by no means least, we have new colours of fresh dye ink, which is really, really exciting. So we have a purple pink collection, we have a yellow, and also a green. Yours will have the proper lid on. I just have a prototype for this one. Our first new colour family is the dried petals. In here we have Pink Crystal, Mauve, Berrylicious, and Acai Berry. Then we have our Wood Warbler. In here we have Icy Lemonade, Oolong Tea, Citronella, and also Green Gold. For our greens, we have the Forest Trail family, and this is Aloe Vera, Matcha Tea, Swamp Green, and also Oak Moss. We really do hope you've spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye! Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!